is mad, I get more butt than ashtrays. Fuck a fair one, I get mine the fast way. Ski mask way, nigga ransom notes. Small and handsome, but damn a nigga told. More guns than roses, and shaking in their boots. A visible bully, like the gooch disappear. Vamoose, you whack to me. Take them rhymes back to the factory. I see the gimmicks, the whack lyrics, the shit is depressing. Please forget it. You're mad cause my style you're admiring. Don't be mad, UPS is hiring. You should have been the cop, fuck hip-hop. With that freestyle, you're bound to get shot. Not from Houston, but I rap a lot. Pack the gat a lot, the flame's about to drop.
Here comes a brand new flavor, yeah. Time for new flavor, yeah. I'm just kicking new flavor, yeah. Like a brand new flavor, yeah. Here comes a brand new flavor, yeah. Time for new flavor, yeah. Word up, no rap, no crap, you bore me. One to grab my dick, too lazy, hold it for me. I'm straight rap great, bust the head straight and dreads, I'm everlasting. Like it's so on pro catch, a tech 9, when I rhyme, plus I climb with this bond. Your album couldn't fuck with one line. It's been 3 years since your last tear, but now I reappear, your heart pumps fear. To your gut, did your girl's butt. I scraped it, shaped it, now she won't strut. I smash teeth, fuck your beat, no relief. I step on stage, girls scream like I'm Keith. You won't be around next year. My rap's too severe, can get bad flavor, yeah. Here comes a brand new flavor, yeah. Time for new flavor, yeah. I'm kicking new flavor, yeah. Like a brand new flavor, yeah. Here comes a brand new flavor, yeah. Time for new flavor, yeah.
2194, mad motherfucking hardcore. It's my time to burn, to explore. The flavor in your ear is the Boy Scout. I make outs, I make all the rappers have doubts. You're fucking with the wrong clan and the wrong man, that's it. Now you got to get your dome split. I'm going into my knapsack with my cat. Take off my hat, yes I'm just cool like that. The dangerous, the ruggedness from the flappers abyss. BLS 97 kiss bastard is. I wanna live long in this rap game. Niggas know my name, yo, Puffy. Love me good, damn, hollers to Hollywood, but is he good? I guess like the jeans, flavor like praline, sick daddy, I mean, Papa love it when he does it, niggas buzz it, but tell me, was it really just the flavor that be clogging your ears? The most healthy behavior is to stay in the clear, it's all for you, it's really all for you, punch back, close your eyes, try to punch that, curl up your ankles, let your tips tap. The flavor, it reacts to your nose jacks. Word to mama, I turn this up a runner, electrocute barracuda. I'm here to bring the drama.
Yo, flavors in your ass grease. Bust the vibes about to bring the noise on release. Let me loose from the belly of the beast. Everybody, hey, you better believe it's Busta Rhymes the way we bout to rip the tri-state, yo. Hey, I split the face and give you stitches, throw niggas and bitches, slap the ass on fat bitches. Wait 1 second, if I get down, I'm rolling with the heavyweight connect to the stomping ground now. Don't you get suspicious? Grant your wishes every time. Bring it vicious when I'm busting around. I know one thing the whole world is expecting is how we all connected. The break fool on the same record. 5 new flavors on the beat. Feel the fucking heat. I really think you should be cheap while we blow up the streets. Instead of copping, please just